Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Balancing Work and Family Life. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're diving deep into a topic that I know resonates with many of you out there: balancing work and family life. I believe everyone can take something away from this conversation. We live in a world that often feels like it's moving at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Between work deadlines, family commitments, and trying to squeeze in some personal time, it can feel overwhelming. I've been there, and I know many of you have too. The modern man faces a unique set of challenges. Society expects us to be providers, to climb the corporate ladder, and yet also be present at home, attending every soccer game, and being emotionally available. It's a tough juggle, and today we're going to talk about how to find that balance. Let's start with a story. A few years ago, I found myself working late nights, missing family dinners, and feeling like I was watching my kids grow up through pictures. It took a toll on my relationships and my mental well-being. I knew something had to change. So what did I do? First, I had to prioritize. I realized that while work is essential, family moments are fleeting. I began by setting boundaries at work, ensuring I left on time, and communicated openly with my family about my schedule. Time management became my best friend. I started planning my days better, setting aside dedicated family time, and ensuring that when I was with my family, I was fully present. No emails, no work calls, just quality time. But here's the thing, gents. It's not just about managing time, it's about managing energy. It's about ensuring that when you're home, you're not just physically present, but mentally and emotionally there too. And that means taking care of ourselves. Whether it's hitting the gym, meditating, or just taking a quiet moment to read, self-care is crucial. Now, I won't lie, it's not always easy. There are days when work pressures mount and family commitments pull you in every direction. But remember, it's okay to ask for help. Talk to your partner, delegate tasks, and most importantly, communicate. Let your family know what's going on. You'll be surprised at the understanding and support you'll receive. Before we wrap up, I want to touch on one last point. Employers play a significant role in this balance. If you're in a position of leadership, consider how you can support your team in achieving a work-life balance. And if you're an employee, don't be afraid to discuss your needs. A supportive work environment makes all the difference. All right, gentlemen, that's it for today's episode. I hope you found some value in our chat. Remember, life is a balancing act, and while we won't always get it perfect, it's the effort and intention that count. If you enjoyed today's episode, please leave a review and share it with your friends. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and stories on this topic. Join our community platform and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name: Tony's Drain at tonysdrain.com.